At Natomas High School, the digital media pathway is part of the arts, media, and entertainment sector. The pathway provides students with the ability to gain and master skills in computer graphics, digital photography, graphic design, and digital filmmaking.
Well, I took this class because, I also film, so why not learn how to do photos and film, because it's a better background for me if I want to do something in the future with these skills I'm learning in this class.
Since I was 10, I like photography, making videos and stuff like that. And how the pictures come out, I like it. I like taking it, it's fun.
I really like to make the most out of my high school career, so I want to look back and I really want to involve myself and enjoy these 4 years of high school. By doing that, I like to participate in a lot of things, especially sports and school events, so I filmed a lot of the football games and took pictures for that, and I'm president of yearbook club, so I like to take charge in taking pictures. Tomorrow I'm going to be taking pictures of our special needs students going ice skating. So that's how I am a part of all that.
The program helps students gain practical knowledge in composition, subject treatment, interaction of light and shadow, photojournalism, creativity, image editing software, and output.
I'm happy that I joined photography, and I would suggest it to anyone who loves taking pictures on your phone, because with the camera you could get better quality and more than what you expect you could get.
I knew little to nothing about photography. I didn't know how to use a camera. Now I'm really happy that I joined. I learned how to use Adobe, Premiere, and Photoshop. It showed me how to create pictures differently, like how I take a picture and then how I can edit a picture. So it was really a good thing that I've been able to join this class, and I'm really thankful for that.
Courses also introduce the aesthetic and technical theories and techniques of photography.
Photography, where it's going to take me is that I will acknowledge that I'm not going to be driving the most expensive of cars, but it is a lifestyle that I am going to love. My philosophy on this is that I'm getting paid to admire life.
To learn more about the digital media pathway and all of our career technical education pathways, visit the website below.